Hey guys, it's Raven here. I hope you guys are really happy to see me again. If you guys love me, make sure to drop a subscribe. And as you know from the title today, we are going to be doing how to make tuna and egg salad sandwiches. And we're going to start with the tuna. Okay, so what you guys want to do next right now is, since I already took the can off of this, what you want to do is just simply put this in the bowl like this. Make sure all of it is out. Okay, after it's all out, make sure you are using a mayo. So what mayo I like to use is I love using a Duke's Wheel mayonnaise. This is how it looks like. Echo, can you please analyze how the ingredients are?
It has a bit of too many calories, a little bit of saturated fat into it, and it has 70 milligrams of sodium in it. Remember to use moderation.
As you can see, I already put it in this bowl container, just so, I don't have to use that whole bowl just to dig all the way down now, So, one thing you're going to do is take 2 scoops of it, put it down, and 1 more scoop, and put it down. And then you're just going to chop. First thing I like to do, just chop it down like that. Just mix it in there like that, pick it up, put it back down. I like to add some McCormick pure ground black pepper, just opens it. And all you do is just sprinkle it, not too much, okay? Not too much, just sprinkle. Just a little bit. A little bit to get it on there. And that's it. That's enough. And you just do the same thing. But you want to have a slice of lemon, cut a slice of lemon, right, like this, and then just squeeze it on there. Just squeeze it a little bit. And then just keep mixing it. So now that we finished with the tuna fish, we're going to move on to the egg salad. One thing I like to use is this machine. So since the original way of the egg salad is you put it in a pot, put it half water, and then put it on the stove. This is much easier because you just have to put however many eggs as you want on here. Just put them on there like this, and then you just start the button, this is the button right here, which will turn on. And to start just to let you know, since we're making egg salad, you want to make sure it's all the way on the top of high since you want it boiled like this. You gotta fill this up like this much. And then what you're gonna do is gently pour it down. That's all you have to do, just gently pour it down like this. And then you start putting the eggs right on there. With the top on, then push the lid. As you can see, this is the Elite Gourmet Easy Egg Cooker. If you want to buy it, it's very useful. Way more easier than just putting it on a pot and waiting for the water to boil like that. I recommend you buy this.
If you would love to buy the Easy Egg Cooker, just go to Amazon.com and select the type that fits your needs.
So, after the eggs have boiled, since we waited for 10 minutes for them, one thing you're gonna do is, turn on the sink. Make sure it's cold water because, you don't want to have hot water or else you're gonna burn your hand. So make sure it's on cold water. Now the water is running, what you're gonna do is crack it gently, not pour like. Don't do that. Just crack it gently. And then, just have it cracked enough. You're gonna start skilling it off. Gently peel it off, else you're going to take a chunk off of it. Just gently. And you see how the water is on? It makes it it makes it easier to peel off. Since it makes it a little bit more softer. This is what it should look like this. It should be all peeled off. Just peel white. Look at that. Now that they're like that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna do the same exact thing what we did for the tuna. Some mayo, once again, the Duke's mayo, which I showed you. 2 scoops of this, just 2. That's it. Just put 2 scoops. I like to do it down the middle, so that way when I start making it, it's much more easier. So now that it's like that, what you want to do is cut it in half. Cut the egg in half like this. Like that for each of them. Now do it for all of them. And here's the last one. Now that they're like that, don't mix it up. Next thing you want to do is you want to use Freedom's Choice Yellow Mustard. Echo, please analyze this.
Freedom's Choice Yellow Mustard has 0 sugars, 0 saturated fat, and 0 calories. The only thing to watch out for is the sodium, which has 81 milligrams in it.
As you can see, it has a little bit of sodium in it, but other than that, you know, no artificial sugar, so it should be fine, you know. One thing you want to do, just not too much, just a little bit. Yeah, just like let the shorts come out. Come on now. And that should be enough. That's all you want. Not too much, like I said. So once that's in, mix that in with the egg salad. It smells so good. We're using this San Francisco salt. This is the Choco Pink salt. It's a really good salt. I really like how it tastes. If you want to buy this, here's how it looks like. It's just really good salt, dude. I recommend it. And you know, for the salt, you just wanna not like this. You know, don't do it like that. Just like 1/2. You know, something like 1/2 of a tablespoon. Something like this. You know, something like that. And then just sprinkle it around. Just sprinkle it. And then once again, put that down. So, now that we finished with the tuna and egg salad, simply put, just put the tuna on the bread. Just like that. And here's for the egg salad. Just put that on there. And you know, one thing I like to use is Welch grape juice. One thing about Welch's grape juice is it has natural sugar in it. Natural sugar means it comes from real sugar, not artificial crap. Anytime you see artificial sugar, that's the chemical crap. You don't ever want to put that in your mouth. The only thing that's bad about this is that it has like just 36 grams of sugar. Like, I would watch out for this. Like, don't drink it like too much, else it's gonna cause bloating issues. You know what I mean? So, just 1 glass a day is good. You know, just 1 glass a day, just like this. And there you have it, guys. Tuna and egg salad complete. I hope you guys liked all what I did today. And please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. I'd really be happy about that.